Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Hello friends, kumusta na kayong lahat? I am so excited to share this escapade with my husband together. Only my husband and I went, guys. Kasi nung July, birthday niya, guys. It's 50th birthday niya, guys. Tapos ayaw niyang i-celebrate dito sa bahay namin, or ayaw niyang as in a surprise, or ayaw niya ng mga maraming tao. So what I did is I book, guys, a spa with a day, guys, a day of spa and food. So yun ang ginawa namin. Buti na lang yung friend ko, siyang nag-offer na pupunta siya dito at siya ang mag-aalaga sa dalawang anak namin. Tapos, yun nga, para makaalis kami ng asawa ko na kaming dalawa lang. So, for how many years, guys, na hindi kami umalis ng asawa ko for a night outside of our house? Yeah, every time na umaalis kami, kasama namin sila. So, this is the first time really na umalis kami na kaming dalawa lang. So, bale, 2 days and 1 night kami, guys. And, yeah, the travel was worth it. And my husband was very, very happy. And we are very happy as well. Pati yung mga bata, sinabi ko sa kanila na kaming dalawa lang kasi nga hindi kami pumupunta ng asawa ko or umaalis simula nung pinanganak ko na si Hailey, guys. Hindi na kami nakapag-travel na kaming dalawa lang. Umalis ako, nagbakasyon ako sa Pinas that time, pero siya ang nag-alaga sa mga bata. But this time, as in na kaming dalawa lang, guys. So pumayag yung mga bata na, okay mami, so you and daddy can enjoy, sabi nila. And yeah, we are very, very happy. And also thanks to my dearest friend Lupe, because yun nga, guys, siya yung tumulong din sa amin para makaalis kaming dalawa. And we felt like OMG, like when we were young, na pag may bakasyon kaming dalawa lang, ganun. But this time, yeah, yan nga ang na-feel namin, guys, na para kaming mag-boyfriend and girlfriend kasi nga wala yung mga bata. Pero hindi mo pa rin maalis talaga yung mga bata, na iniisip mo din sila na ano na kayang ginagawa nila. Nagbe-behave kaya sila or mga ganun ba? Kumakain kaya sila kota, or maybe she's still eating or sleeping, mga ganun, guys. Tapos si Hailey, tinutulungan niya kaya yung friend ko. Sabi ko ganun, guys, kaya. Pero we enjoyed really, guys. Nakapunta na kami noon sa Panticosa, but kaming apat nga. Pero Lakota was 2 years old that time, guys. Doon kasi sa spa, they won't allow kids under 3 years. So, hindi nakapasok si Lakota at saka yung asawa ko noong unang pumunta kami. So, bale, si Hailey at saka lang ako ang naka-experience ng spa that time. So, naisipan ko na why not to bring my husband there. Kasi nga, he loves nature. And also, we really deserve something nice to relax. Kaya yun ang naisipan ko, guys. And my husband was grateful kasi as in na he loved the experience, guys. Kasi doon sa spa, marami kang iba't ibang water temperature and also sauna. Um, Basta marami guys, maraming mga choices. So, lahat yun na-experience namin. Meron ding parang dried sauna, Finland sauna, mga ganun. Tapos may ice din. So, ito yung balneary or yung spa. Tapos, doon sa pinakataas, may siya guys, may swimming pool na hot. So, kahit na in winter, you can still go and enjoy and relax dito guys. Kasi may hot or as in na yung temperature is okay kasi nga it is uh, thermal, tapos yun nga nilalagyan nila ng heater guys para sa ganun makaswim pa rin kahit na winter. And you can see the mountain covered with snow, pero you can still enjoy, diba guys? So, ayun nga. We really enjoyed. My husband wants to show Lakota how to play yung bato guys na ihagis mo, tapos kung um, ilang, how do you call this? Kung ilan ang mag-bounce back or 1, 2. So, yung asawa ko, 2 lang ang nag-bounce back. Nag-bounce. I'm not sure nag-bounce back or nag-bounce twice yung bato guys. And the view is really stunning. The mountains, the lake. This is natural lake guys, and the water is comes from the melted snow from the mountain. If you can see the parang white things guys doon sa bundok, yun ay yung tubig na dumadaloy from the top of the mountain. I mean, that is a waterfall. Yeah. And after that, nung tapos na kami doon sa spa, but before kami nag-spa guys, nag-lunch muna kami. Buti na lang, yung kinuha kong time is 3:30. Tapos, yung lunch is from 1:30 to 3. Tapos, 3:15, we must be at the reception. Nakita niyo naman siguro ako na nasa reception. And we waited until they called us to prepare. Kasi at 3:30 exact, dapat nasa spa na kami. And we are planning to go again this time guys, but not only my husband and I, but with the 4 of us this time. Finally sila Kota na siya guys, makaka-experience na rin siya kasi siya na lang ang hindi pa naka-experience doon. So bale ang travel time namin from our house to the place is 3 hours guys. Yeah. And also our hotel ay doon sa Haka guys. Maybe 40 minutes from the balneary or from the spa resort. Doon nga rin sana ako mag-book sa spa resort. Kaso nga lang, it's not allowed for just a night. They want 2 nights and 3 days. Para as in na masulit siguro kasi nga 'di ba, if you use just once yung bedsheet ganun, they have to wash it. So I think they prefer to 2 nights. So wala akong nabook doon. So ang nabook namin ay yung nabook namin ng agency ay doon sa Haka, 40 minutes away from the spa resort. So, ayun. Maganda yung hotel na kung saan kami nag-stay. That was 4 stars hotel. And the food was really good as well. So, we had a very good breakfast. And then, we continued going to Can Franc. We went to Can Franc as well, but that was in 2019, I think, or 2020. Yeah, 2020. And that was my COVID pa noon guys. And Lakota, as I've told you, that she was only 2 years old that time. So parang medyo nakalimutan niya siguro yung mga nakikita niya noon. Pero pag ipinapakita ko yung mga pictures, as in na nakikita niya guys, yung mga pictures, and we are so happy kasi nga maliit pa lang siya, marami na siyang na-experience. But ang hindi ko sure ay kung as in na maalala niya. So we are going to repeat the experience again para sa ganun mas maalala pa niya guys. Yeah, so that's what we are going to do. We are going to the spa resort again, and then gusto nga sana namin mag-stay, kaso nga lang my friend is busy. She wanted to come and help us again, so the four of us can stay for a night or 2 nights. Pero sabi ng asawa ko na wag na lang daw kasi nakakahiya naman maybe. Kasi nakakahiya naman guys. Kaya sabi namin na pupunta kami but we are going to come back home. Parang balikan lang guys. Yeah. Kasi nga next week bakasyon na ng asawa ko. That is why sabi niya na gano'n na lang ang gawin natin para hindi ma-perwisyo yung friend mo, sabi niya. Yeah, even if my friend has a weekend, pero syempre gusto rin namin na ma-spend niya yung weekend niya para hindi lang dito sa bahay. So, ayun. Yeah. Actually, she was willing to come again and stay with the animals and to stay in our house, guys, as a housekeeper. Yeah, for just 2 days. Pero sabi namin na wag na lang. At yun, balikan na lang kami. Yeah. Kasi marami kasing trabaho dito guys sa bahay namin. Pakainin mga animals, mga aso, pusa, goats and sheep. Tapos to irrigate also the plants. Mga ganun guys. Kahit na sabihin natin na parang ang dali lang, pero it is really time consuming. Yeah. So, ayun, we are so grateful for everything guys. Yeah. And I hope you like this video, and please subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, and hope to see you again very soon guys. And also I said that in my last video, at my ending or outro of my video, I said thank you again. So hindi sana ako mag voice over, kaso nga lang why not to talk. So ayun, I just keep on talking and talking and talking, as in na walang edit guys yung voice over ko. So pasensyahan nyo na kung kung nagkamali man ako sa mga words ko, okay? Because I'm just human. Okay guys, I hope you are all enjoying your summer, and I wish you all the best this summer and the seasons to come guys. So see ya again.
Pours dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video from us, and please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you again very soon. Bye.